Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. Today I am going to be creating my own Louboutins. Christian Louboutin is a luxury shoe designer. If you don't know his pieces, he is known for the red bottoms. He creates them for women and for men as well. And as the story goes, the red sole was created in 1992 when Christian Louboutin, and excuse my French because, my French accent is terrible, but I try my best. In 1992, when he saw one of his assistants painting her nails red, and he spontaneously took the nail polish and painted the bottom of one of the shoes, one of the prototype samples, and that is how the red bottom was born. Can you believe it? Just like a happy accident that makes a luxury brand. Really makes the brand. That's what he's known for. He thought the black sole was too dull, too boring, and so he modernized it. I love it. And of course, red was the right color to choose because, as we all know, it is very attention grabbing. Red will be the first color that your eye goes to in an array of colors. And it's actually statistically known that red cars get stopped more by police because they stand out. Since then, you can hear references to red bottoms in a lot of rap songs and in popular culture. For me personally, right now, I don't feel like spending $700 to $1,500 on a pair of red bottoms, so I am going to make my own. I have some black heels that I have had forever, like a decade, and I am just going to spruce them up a little bit with some Angelus Red Paint and clean them up. So here is the paint. I have used this paint before to paint some white Nike shoes in tan and neutral, so I know this paint works quite well. We're going to do a few coats, and of course I got red for the red bottoms. And this is an acrylic paint, so it is quick drying. I do have some brushes from my painting days that are acrylic brushes that I am going to use. So these shoes are the most similar to the Sporty Kate on the Louboutin website. They are a patent leather black shoe. They actually come in white and beige as well, but we're going to go with black. Black is the most classic. And these are pink on the inside, unlike the Sporty Kates from the actual Christian Louboutin. But I don't think anyone's really going to see the inside, and do I care? Not that much. So let's clean them up and then we will paint the soles. As you can see, Louboutin also paints the inside of the heel. So I am going to do the entire bottom of the sole and then this part right here on the heel. So this is 2 coats of paint. As you can see, it's slightly sheer here, so I think I'm going to do a 3rd coat of paint. You do need to have a lot of paint on the brush for the 2nd coat, and I let the 1st coat almost completely dry, because if you don't do that, then the 2nd coat will start to peel the 1st coat, which you can see happened a little bit there. So you want plenty of paint on the brush for the 2nd coat so that the paintbrush glides smoothly over it. It's looking pretty good. We're almost done, just waiting for the 2nd coat to dry, and then going to do the 3rd. I let the shoes dry overnight, and I'd say they look pretty good. You can see it's not perfectly smooth, but no one's going to be this close to the shoe to be able to tell. They're going to be seeing it from a distance. Here is the other shoe. So let's put them on and style them. Okay, this is how I decided to style this look. I have on a top from Zara, my Gucci bag from Vestiaire Collective. These pants with the skirts overlay are from Fashion Nova, and of course, I have on the shoes. So here you can see the full outfit. Those those are very bright on the bottom of the heel, but that's the goal. Here you can see the outfit details. And I am also wearing earrings, the classic diamond hoops with lab-grown diamonds in gold vermeil from my own company, Studio Sierra. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really had a lot of fun. I had fun making these Louboutin red bottoms. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!